Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find and select the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system, and here under languages and input we've got date and time options, so let's enter. Now we are using automatic date, time and time zone, but in order to set it manually we have to turn off this option. So in order to set date and time manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see both options are active, so we can freely tap on it, and by swiping we can choose the date we want. Let's tap on OK, and we can set the time also. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it immediately changes and it is immediately applied on our status bar. What's more, we can of course set manually the time zone. Just tap on the switcher here, and here we've got the time zone option. So here we can choose the time zone from the list. Simply tap on the time you want to use and it is immediately applied. What's more, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Now we are using 24-hour format, but in order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied. What's more, here we've got auto update settings. So here we can check the NTP server. Simply tap here, and as you can see here we've got some geographical areas, and we can choose the one we want to use. Simply tap on it in order to mark it, and as you can see it is also immediately applied. So now if you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap on NTP server, choose the Europe, in my case of course Europe one, use 24-hour format, so just turn it on, turn on the automatic time zone and turn on network provided time and date. And as you can see it is also immediately applied. So that's all. This is how to set date and time in your ALCATEL 3X from 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.